Now let's take a look at the wildcard character in Excel. Excel do allow you to use wildcard character sometime because if you don't have the information exactly correct, you can also sometimes you can also use wildcard to put in place. So let's start it. In Excel, wildcard character are used to replace certain text in function that search for matching text. The question mark wildcard character like this replace exactly one character in text. So for one character replacement, you need to use the question mark. Of the fruit below, how many would match with LE question mark ON? So as you can see down here, there's a number of fruit down here. Now which one will fit that while that search function? So what do you think? Okay, so if we go down from the list, apple won't be, is lemon fit that description, LE, wildcard, which is any character, and then ON, that should fit, right? That should fit that characteristic. So that's one. And then not pineapple, not melon, not watermelon, not strawberry, not blueberry, and not cherry. So the answer should be one. Okay, the asterisk mark wildcard character, which is this, replace any number of character, even 0 in text. So of the fruit below, how many would match with A, asterisk, and then E? So as you can see that the asterisk can be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number of character. So if you look through this list right here, you notice apple start with an A, and then there's three letters character in the middle, and then end with an E. So that fits the description. So apple is one of them, lemon is not, pineapple is not because it started with a P. This one has to be started with A because there's nothing in front of it. So melon's not, watermelon is not, strawberry is not, blueberry is not, cherry is not. So again, the answer for this is A because apple is the only one that fit the description. Okay, of the fruit below, how many would match with asterisk and then PPLE? So let's pause here and then try to figure it out, and then once you have the answer, hit play and see if you get the right answer or not. So the answer is 2. The reason is because apple fit that, and then also pineapple. So because it doesn't matter how many characters in front of a PPLE, as long as it's end with PPLE, then it fits. So the answer is 2. Apple and pineapples. So of the fruit below, how many would match with berry? Wildcard character, asterisk, and then berry. Okay, pause, and then I'll come back when you think you have the answer. So the answer is berry. So we have strawberry, we have blueberry, and we have, that should be it. Cherry doesn't fit because cherry got an H. So answer is 2. Okay, of the fruit below, how many would match airy? Wildcard, asterisk, and then ERRY. And then pause and then come back when you think you have the answer. The answer should be 1, 2, and 3. Of the fruit below, how many would match with 4 question mark and then berry? Now this is a specific number of character only. You can only have 4 character in front of berry. Okay, so let's see. Pause and come back when you have the answer. Okay, so the answer for this one is not strawberry because there's 5 characters in front, STRAW, but blueberry has 4 only, so the answer is 1. Okay, although how many would match the kind of like the text of 4 question mark and then an N. Pause and then come back once you think you have the answer. So the answer is 2 because there's one for lemon and then there's one for melon. All both with 5 characters with an N at the end. So 2. Okay, and that's it for wild character. So try to play around with it a little more to get a good hang of it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.